Whoa. I came back to my old setup to do this one right here. Because it's like a jewel case, so I didn't want to do it on the ground. I've been wanting this for so long, and literally I found it. I was adding stuff to my K-pop like wish list, and I found it on Amazon for $9. I was like, holy crap. And now that I get it, I can like look, there's like jewels in there. And then CL, well, this is CL's like solo, I guess. Duh, it's gonna say CL. I got this because I've been wanting 21 albums since they came back. They're coming back or whatever. So, I found this. Well, I didn't find it. I've been wanting it, but I wasn't gonna pay $30 for a jewel case. That's a CD. There's like sparkles everywhere. Is this like an open one? No. But yeah, it's nothing special. This video is probably not gonna be that long too. Oh. Jump scare. Because it does have a photo. It says it has a photo card, but I doubt it's like a real type of photo card, K-pop photo card. But yeah, I've been wanting the 21 ones, but they're so expensive. So I'm just getting their solos. I have Park Bomb solo in the mail coming in. I'm really excited for that one. And I wish Dara did an album for her solo like festival type thing. That would have been a really cool concept for an album. I love these photos. I love CL. I watched the show called Dave because she was in it for like an episode. She's just the queen, I guess. Literally. I know they're coming out with a new tour, but I hope they come out with a little, kind of like a mini album. They better come out with new light sticks for their tour then, so I can buy one. Ooh, magical. I ordered this right before I left for America, and it sat outside for like a weekend. So this is giving like G Idol Nude. The song Nude. I guess that's it. My favorite song on here is Lover Like Me. I love that song. I didn't even know it was part of this album when I ordered it. I'm not gonna jump scare myself with myself. Okay, so it did come with some stuff. Came with this. What is this? Is it a sticker? I don't know what this is. Oh well. Then this is the photo card, apparently. Yeah. I feel like this is a sticker. People are probably watching this like, what the hell are you doing? I feel like this is a sticker. This does not feel like a freaking photo card. I mean, I would have been okay with a photo card like this. Anyway, it's all good. At least I got the CL. So yeah, that was the album unboxing. Oh, it's all sparkly. Yeah. So that was it. Bye.